I'm making breakfast today. We're doing smoothie bowls. First, we're gonna need some bananas. Next, we're gonna need some tofu san. This is like a tofu drink. We've seen it all over the place here in Thailand. Really enjoying it. Now we're gonna need some peanut butter as requested by Lindsay. Boom. Organic smooth peanut butter. Also gonna need some protein powder. And lastly, we're gonna need some cinnamon. Ground cinnamon right in front. Okay, great, now we're set up. It's really easy to make the smoothie bowl too thin. And you really want a thick smoothie bowl so it can support whatever you're gonna put in the bowl. And in our case, today, that's gonna be granola. See these knobs right here? How legitimate these knobs look? I feel like that's how you know this is gonna be an amazing blender. Look at that guy. I'm gonna turn it on. Yikes, that's a decent blend. Wow. You all right?
Yeah, it startled me.
Just a blender. So it's set to 5. I think we'll turn it down a little. 3.5. Still an absolute monster. I definitely think we can throw in the rest of the bananas, no problem. All right, now she's really thick, and we're gonna wanna keep it that way. See, right there, that's what you wanna see. That means it's thick enough. All right, now we're gonna add peanut butter and chocolate powder, protein powder, a good spoonful of organic peanut butter. The texture is like a chocolate frosty from Wendy's right now. It's just spot on. To top, I'm gonna put on coconut quinoa granola, and then we can eat.
Aw, thank you, sweetie. Wow, it's so thick. It's really good. Oh, wow.
I have 6 cold sores. I'm very upset about that. Look at my mouth. What the heck happened, man?
Oh, baby.
I get cold sores when I'm stressed out.
Well.
Travel can be stressful. That's the truth of it. It can be very stressful. It's really difficult not having like a space to go back to that is yours.
Yeah.
Today, we're gonna learn how to make stop motion films because the Workaway that we're staying at wants us to make stop motion films for them.
Kelly, oh.
What are you doing? This is a light box. It's like a big stage with reflective walls that allow us to perfectly light an object so we can take photos of it. And this back here is a duck.
Hey! So here's what it looks like inside.
So the company we're working for is called Global Groove Life, and they make these. It's Christmas season. This is their biggest season. So they need some videos that they can post on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube so that they can boost those posts and potentially get some people buying these products as gifts this holiday season. We're gonna make the videos so that they can boost them and generate some revenue.
So this is a giant bag of products. Now mostly I think they're like Christmas ornaments and also some pom-pom garlands. All right, so here's the inside of our box. I've got it down to just the shiny reflective stuff. And then we have 3 background color options. There's black, white, and like beige, orange. So the question now just really is what products do I want to start with and like how will they move?
My idea was something like a white 16:9 and then a product waddles in from the side here and like does a movement and then maybe another one over here and then some words in the center.
Okay, I think starting simple is good.
It could be a really good warm-up to start with something so simple too. Yeah, we need to just figure out how to make them move first.
Yeah. So this is like an insanely huge bag of products. So I think that my first step should actually be sorting them into like categories. We've got gingerbread, rainbows, Christmas tree toppers, mice, wizard and Spyro, Santa Claus doing yoga, and doves.
Oh.
Yeah, right? Check it out.
Who's that? Is that Santa Claus? No.
Yeah, Santa Claus doing yoga.
Santa Claus in tree pose.
I know. So I have this one idea, and it may not be for today because it might be a little advanced, but you see these like teapots and teacups? Imagine like the cup comes in and then the pot comes in, and then it pours, and something comes out and goes into the cup. One's like coffee and one is tea. See? Coffee mug. We could put like coffee beans maybe. We could hold coffee beans. And then this one, I don't know. But look, it's got a little tea bag dangling. So cute. So, aww, I love you. So the first thing, aww. Okay, the first thing we need to discuss is if we're gonna shoot top down, and if so, how are we gonna mount this camera sturdily enough to shoot straight down, that it does not move at all.
All right, I have an idea. It starts with these chairs.
Maybe I know what you're gonna do. Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
All right.
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
I'm sorry.
This is not gonna work.
I don't know.
I'm solving problems. All right, it'll definitely work because look, even that's working.
Yeah, true. We just need to move it back now.
Yeah, we just need to securely fasten it.
Oh my gosh. That's actually amazing. Oh, crap.
So in order to stop this, we have to like put that like through there.
There.
All right, there we have it. Now we can make stop motion. Yeah?
Good job.
So we're gonna start with gingerbread men.
Orange. Yeah, so we've got gingerbread with little hearts on their chest and corresponding hearts. But what I think we need to do before we actually start shooting anything is like plan out the choreography, you know?
Come in, and then...
The hearts maybe drop down. So these two would come in at the same time. So start at the edge of the frame.
I was gonna have like 3 and 3 move in.
Like this? Should I be moving like this? Yeah, we could definitely do this.
We just took our first stab at creating a very basic movement in stop motion, and it looks amazing.
It actually already worked like quite well.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Look at him. And then it ends.
We did it.
We did it. We actually did it like first shot. That's actually crazy. Okay, the only problem is these hearts you can still see up there.
Yeah, so we just have to adjust the framing now.
And these edges. See how you see my hands on the edges?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, do I go? Do I go?
He's about to take one.
Okay.
Just took one.
Okay. So we'll go to the left side again and then back to the right again.
All right, we just finished up like a good version of the gingerbread movement.
I'm pretty sure we nailed it this time. Gingerbread, ginger, head.
What?
I don't know. Let's go. Oh my god. Do you want to see it? Here we go. Here it goes. Here goes nothing. Are you seeing this?
Yeah. That's so cute.
No, we caught my hand.
It's okay.
We did it! Wow, it looks so cute!
I know, right?
Oh my gosh! Go team!
Yeah, Knuckles.
Amazing!